Now, let us start understanding one more important concept. The concept is the architecture of your Java, the runtime execution mode in which your Java program works. Okay, so let's start executing that and understand how does the Java program execute. So, well, before I show you that executional mode, I need to give you what all are the contents that are present in your Java's architecture. Now, to begin with, this is the file that I'm having. Okay, I call this as my source file. Source file. What do you mean by a source file? I will tell you, don't worry about it. Source file is such a file which contains the code in your high-level language. The high-level language code is what we call it as the source file. Okay, sir. Next what? Now, this source file has to be given to one person. Okay, this source file, I'm giving it to one person here. Who is that person, sir? If you ask me, that person name is called as your Java compiler. It is called as Java compiler. You already know, if I take a source file as an input, what is the file that I will be getting as an output? Correct. I will be getting one more file here. The name of this file, I will tell it as class file. Class file. So class file contains code in which level language? Class file contains code in intermediate level language. Which language? Intermediate level language. This is the output that you will be getting from your compiler. So it took which language as input? High level language as input. It produced what? It produced intermediate level language as output. Okay, sir. Next what? Next, I'm going to have one more person available here. This is that person. The name of this person, we call it as class loader. Class loader. And he also contains one more person, that is the bytecode verifier. Bytecode verifier. So the Java compiled program will be given and it will be stored inside the class file, and a copy of that will be given to whom? It will be given to your class loader or your bytecode verifier. Since I am writing all your program in high level language, there will be certain statements that are taken from your Java's predefined things. In other words, predefined libraries. So I need to take some data from there as well. So I have my Java class libraries available here. This is my Java class libraries. This is going to get added onto this. This is going to get added onto this. Okay, sir. Now, the file that you had sent, it was a chota file. Now it has become a bada file. Why? Because in your chota file, you had written all the things in high level. Now, it has got converted to intermediate, and from your Java class libraries, you are adding some more data to it. So, the chota file has become a bada file now. Okay, sir. Next, what will happen? The file that was here, now it will be sent over to one more person here. So that is your Java interpreter. There is a Java interpreter. Which also is associated with one more person, called as just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler. Along with this, there is one more person who is present here. This person name is only called as runtime system. So the code that was given out from your class loader or bytecode verifier will enter this particular stage. So in this stage, the code that was in intermediate level language will get converted to which language? Machine level language. It will get converted to machine level language. After which you are having the final set of people available here, that is your platform. That is your platform. Platform, when I say it is, your operating system, and it is not just this, it is your microprocessor and your operating system that will be available here. Post that only the output will be received. Okay, sir, all these things are there. Then what are the different things that you are trying to tell? What am I trying to tell here is, notice, whatever you see inside this, whatever is this, these three things are present inside one person called as the Java virtual machine. This is your Java virtual machine. So this Java virtual machine is going to contain interpreter, just-in-time compiler and runtime system. And not just that, this JVM along with your class loader and your Java class libraries is present inside one more person. It is present inside one more person. Who is that person, sir? If you ask me, that one more person is only called as your Java runtime environment. So what does Java runtime environment contain? It contains class loader, bytecode verifier, Java class libraries and your JVM. Now, this Java compiler along with your JRE and JVM, together it is available inside one single place. It is available inside one single place. Where is it available, sir? If you ask me, it is available inside one more person. This person name is only called as Java Development Kit, which is nothing but your JDK. Any code that starts from your source file comes to your Java compiler, from where it is getting segregated to two places. One, a storage place called as the class file, another one for further execution. It will come to your JRE where the Java class libraries will be added and it will be converted to machine level language in your JVM. Once it is converted to machine level language, it will be given to your platform from where you are going to get your output. From where you are going to get your output. This is the entire basic architecture. In fact, inside your JVM, there are so many other things that are present. I have just mentioned few things here. You have heap, you have stack, you have classes, and so many different things are present. But to give you a basic clarity, I have written these things. This is a basic overview architecture of your Java. The in-depth architecture you will be understanding in our course. I hope I am completely clear with this basic architecture of your Java. Now, whenever you go to download your Java, you are not getting JVM separately, JRE separately. You are going to get everything single packagedly as your JDK, which is Java Development Kit. I hope I am completely clear on this. Sir, why is it available as a kit, sir? Why not it is available separately? Whenever you start playing cricket, whenever you go to play a cricket, will you just take any one of the guards? Don't you think you will be taking all the available guards with you? Yes, you will take your hand guard, you'll take your abdomen guard, you'll take your helmet, you'll take your knee guard, you'll take your thigh guards. All the guards you will be taking. Why? Because it is available as one single kit. A batsman, can he go without gloves? Not possible. A batsman, can he go without a bat? No. A wicket keeper, can he go without his keeping gloves? Not possible, because it's a part of the kit. So in the same way, in Java also, if you want to perform execution, you need to have every single thing available. I hope I'm completely clear about this architecture.